Oh, that's really good.
I know. It's ridiculous how good this is.
What's up, guys? It's 6:45. If you noticed, I hadn't said anything yet in my video, and I've been awake for 2 hours. Yeah, 2 hours exactly. It's because I hadn't had my morning coffee, and I was dead to the world. We just got a workout in because Paige, this is Paige.
Hi, vlog.
We just got a workout in because I am working full-time from home right now with the phase, whatever we're in for the disease. But today's video is going to be about a productive work from home routine, as well as just some tips on how to stay productive and to avoid procrastinating as much as possible, because, you know, we're all about productivity over here. A brief side note, we decided to invest in our future, and we got a camera.
Woo!
There it is, guys. Vlogging magic. We got a nice little Canon M50 right here with the standard 15 to 45 mil. Thank you guys for tuning in. Rise and grind. Productivity hack number 1, don't use a laundry hamper. Just once you're done with your workout, throw your athletic clothes directly into the washing machine. I definitely recommend keeping the lid open so that they don't get like musty. Stolen from Just Jolie. And another really good tip is when you're washing clothes like Lululemon or athletic material, just wash all of them together in one load. Don't mix it with your cottons, because even though cotton's really soft on your skin, it's really abrasive on those athletic materials, and it can cause them to pill. And overall just shorten the life of the athletic clothes you spent a lot of money on. All right, guys, it is now 2 o'clock. I know a lot of time has passed by in the day since my last tip, but I had a lot of work to get done. So just give a little quick recap. I followed up with some of my clients. I had to take a couple phone calls, and then I also went and grabbed lunch really quick. My next tip would be find a designated place for you to work within your home. I know a lot of you are probably working from home and don't necessarily have a workspace available. So I also in a pretty normal sized apartment that doesn't have a spare room or anything like that for an office. So I always take this spot at my kitchen counter as kind of like my workspace. So I have my laptop, I've got my mouse pad, and my dual monitor for work. So yeah, just designate a place that's not like on the couch or in your bed to get work done, because I really find having this as kind of my one-stop place for work allows me to really focus on work once I'm sitting here. Another thing you can see behind me is just write out your plan for the day. So I have a couple different lists there. First list up here was just when I woke up this morning, I wanted to take my supplements, drink some water, and then pick my podcast for my workout. It's super simple, but it just allows me to feel like I got something accomplished, put some check marks on the board, and crush the next task. Having a whiteboard like this is great because you can take quick lists, whether you work with clients specifically, you can write some names down of people you want to follow up with or people you want to talk to, or just tasks in general. Another great thing that I use for this on my computer and my phone is Microsoft OneNote. If you don't know what OneNote is, basically what you can do is you can take notes on your phone and then transfer them to your laptop. So it's really cool if you're out and about and you think of an idea for a video or maybe an idea for work. You can jot some quick notes down, and then when you open up your laptop, they'll be on the OneNote saved on your computer. So that's something I started to use really recently. I found it really helpful for my productivity so that even when I'm not sitting in front of my computer, I can still have that available. My final tip for the day is make sure to have in some built-in procrastination. And what I mean by that is, and this is something my girlfriend actually told me, is that if you work for like really focused periods of time of about 45 minutes to an hour and then have a built-in break of about 15 to 20 minutes, it allows you to actually get more done because you can chop the day up into much smaller pieces. So if you say to yourself, from 1 o'clock to 2 o'clock, I'm going to focus on working on some of these emails I have to follow up on. And then from 2 to 2:15, I'm going to go clean the bathroom. The reason I say clean the bathroom is where is it? So this to-do list right here is just stuff to do around the house. So I wanted to do my laundry, take out the trash, sweep them off the bathroom, make a grocery list. And those are just some things that I had to get done anyways. And if those are like my procrastination tasks, I'm still getting stuff done that I need to do around the house. And I like to just keep my house clean, and I'm pretty OCD about staying organized. So that's something that's helpful for me if I do want to take a break from work and I just am a little bit bored or having a hard time concentrating, I can feel like I'm still getting something done while taking a break. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. As I am editing this, I'm realizing I forgot to film the outro, so rookie mistake on my part, but I did up some of the equipment for this video as I am posting a little bit more frequently than I had in the past, shooting for about 1 video every week. So if you made it this far, guys, it would mean so much to me if you went ahead and subscribed and commented on this video, and while you're at it, if you liked it, that'd be great too. But I just want to encourage you guys, if there's any sort of goal that you haven't been able to achieve or something you're really working towards, make a plan, set some goals, and then chip away at them each day. And I can speak from personal experience that if you wake up early, you work hard, you don't give up on your goals and your dreams and just the things you want to do and the lifestyle you want to achieve, just reach out for help along the way. You will be so surprised at what you can accomplish in such a short amount of time. I know I've only been posting consistently on my channel for about a month now. If you're not into the YouTube game or algorithm or anything like that, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours to get monetized. So I'm really trying to do that by the end of the summer. Thank you guys so much again for your support. And as always, peace.